Hey collectors, here is a look at JAGA from Thundercats Wave 3 by Super7. Like all other Thundercats, he comes in a slipcase, and once you pull that out, you will see a window type box that shows all what the package has in its content for the Thundercat Super7 JAGA. Starting with the Wave 2 of the Thundercats line, the printed information at the back is of the character. And the box contains two plastic trays. The first one has the figure itself, plus two head sculpts, the Sword of Omen and its dagger form, a hand with some magical gesture effect, and the second tray at the back has two extra set of hands plus a soft rubber cape for JAGA. And here is the soft rubber cape included as an option with JAGA. But for me, this is just useless because I much prefer the default one JAGA wears. It also has wires so you can pose it however you want if you are going to do some pictorials with the figure. And here is JAGA out of the box. He stands around 6.5 inches tall and is also superposable. The cape has wires so you can pose it however you want if you are going to do some pictorial with the figure in some action poses. And again, a word of caution, before you go on and posing this figure, be sure to heat up the joints so to avoid breakage. Back in 2020, JAGA, Pumaira, Linkso, and Jackalman were the first Thundercats figure available locally here in the Philippines, which is the reason why not much buzz was created because there are no main characters, specifically Lino, which every collector wants to put beside the He-Man figure from Super7. JAGA also has pinless joints, which you can see during the Wave 2 release of these figures. And this is the reason why I like cloth wired cape than those soft rubber, because you can pose them however you want during pictorials. There is a sad story about the third head sculpt. This first one is what we see JAGA when they were leaving Thundera. And this head sculpt is obviously the one without the helmet. But the third head sculpt, you can see that he has aged a lot, because this is his face before he perished, while the other Thundercats lie in their cryo sleep. He guided the ship towards the third Earth, and like in the rest of the show, you could only see JAGA in his ghost form guiding the Thundercats in their new planet. Super7 will be releasing probably end of 2023 a Phantom JAGA in a transparent plastic. And for size comparison, here he is with the SH Figure Arts The Dark Knight Batman and the Justice League Superman by Mafex. With the SH Figure Arts, Kid Krillin from Dragon Ball and Buzz Lightyear from Bandai Model Kit Toy Story. From the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles movie, Foot Soldier by NECA and Jar Jar Binks from Phantom Menace Star Wars by Hasbro. With the 7-inch figures, Azrael, Nightfall in Batman suit, and Batman from Hush Gray and Blue version by McFarlane Toys. With the other Thunderians, Pantro version 2 and Lino from Wave 1 of the Thundercats. From Wave 2, here he is with Tigra. Here is a group shot of all the Thundercats I have, Pantro, Tigra, and Lionel. And to wrap things up, here he is with a fellow Wave 3 figure, Sly from the Evil Mutants. And with that, thank you all for watching. See you all again next video.